Herzlich willkommen, liebe Freunde. Mein Name ist Florian Stollmayer und nun werde ich La Montanara, das Lied der Berge, auf meinem Klavier für euch spielen. Thank you very much for watching this wonderful piano video. Please make sure to check out my website florianstollmayer.com and pick up my brand new book Florian Stollmayer's Quick Guide to the Oktoberfest. It comes with a personal autograph and a nice handwritten letter from me. Auf Wiedersehen. And thank you for stopping by, and I'm gonna see you next time. I'm Florian Stollmayer. Please do not forget to rate and subscribe to our YouTube channel.